This video shows the following basic functions of the DG813 and DG613. Change grade edit mode from Digit Select default to Step and Go. Change grade in Step and Go mode. Change the sign of the grade value. Quick set to 0%. Press and release the M button to enter the menu. Then press the minus button 3 times to select Settings. Press the E button 2 times to enter the grade entry menu. Select Step and Go with the right arrow and confirm with the E button. Press and release the M, then the E button to change the grade value. Press and hold plus or minus button for changing the grade value after the comma. Press and hold plus and minus buttons simultaneously starts the quick change mode where the grade value will be set to 0% and then starts in front of the comma, changing in 1% increments. Left-right arrow button change the sign of the grade value. The laser will self-level to the required grade position after confirming the grade change with the E button. Press and hold the ESC button 2 seconds for quick set to 0% in grade entry mode.